Hey there, Tulsa. I'm Jonathan Witte, General Manager for the Oliveto Italian Bistro here at 91st and Memorial. For the past couple weeks, I've shared recipes for some of our amazing pasta items. Today, I thought I'd mix it up a little bit, and I'm going to show you how to make our popular Citrus Cedar Plank Salmon. Our citrus salmon is cooked in a 500-degree pizza oven and served with 2 of our delicious side items. Let's head back to the kitchen and I'll show you how it's done. To make our Citrus Cedar Plank Salmon, we start with a nice 8-ounce fillet of Atlantic salmon that we've marinated in a blend of citrus juices, olive oil, and spices. Next, we'll place our marinated salmon on a cedar plank that has been pre-soaked in water. We'll sprinkle about a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and pepper for flavor and place our salmon in the oven. Here at Oliveto, we like to use that cedar plank because it infuses the salmon with an amazingly but subtle smoky flavor. While our salmon is cooking, it's time to make our delicious jalapeno risotto. We start off with 1 ounce of melted butter in a hot saute pan. Next, we'll add 2 ounces of sliced mushrooms and a teaspoon of diced jalapenos. Once the mushrooms start to cook down for about a minute, we'll add 6 ounces of cooked risotto and 5 ounces of our spicy tomato cream sauce. We'll saute this for another 30 seconds until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Finally, we'll garnish our jalapeno risotto with Asiago cheese and fresh chopped parsley. Let's go check on our salmon and see if it's ready to plate. This salmon has been cooking for about 12 minutes and it has a little bit of crispiness around the edges. It looks perfect. We serve our salmon on a hot skillet on the cedar plank. We'll add a lemon, a side of our jalapeno risotto, and to round out this entree, we'll add some fresh steamed broccoli. So that's it, a Citrus Cedar Plank Salmon. If this entree looks good to you, let us make one for you today. To receive our friendly curbside carryout, call or go online at olivetobistro.com. If you prefer delivery, you can order through DoorDash or Grubhub. We look forward to feeding you soon.